This how to 1 minute will show you how to increase WordPress memory limit in Namecheap. So first of all, open your Namecheap hosting cPanel, and once you are in your cPanel, scroll down. Under File section, open the File Manager and open the public_HTML file by double-clicking on it. And then search for wp-config.php files. Right-click on this file and click on Edit. Once you are in the editor, scroll down and here you will find this code. Define wp_debug, false. Select this line and all you have to need, just paste this code here and you'll get this code in this video description below. So paste this code, and here from here you can easily change your WordPress memory limit. So I'm giving here 600 megabyte. So you can give any value you wish. Then click on Save Changes. And this is how we can change WordPress memory limit in Namecheap. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.